Yo, what's going on, Dual Squad? It's me, Anthony, the Yu-Gi-Oh man. I know I haven't recorded in a while, but today I have a very special video for you. Because today we'll be opening up Legendary Collection, the Kaiba edition. I've heard some very good things about this. There's like some new Blue Eye support, even a new Critias fusion. Well, without any further ado, let's open this up. Yep. Alright, getting the plastic off. Alright, here we go. Yep. First look at the box. Open. And now opening it. Alright. First, let's go through the new foil. A couple new foil cards over here. Let's open this up. See what we got. Come on. There we go. Okay. First, we have Goddess of Sweet Revenge. Second, we got King of D. God, I like his guitar. It's a cool guitar. New print, new editions. Ooh, here's a new fusion. Here comes Destruction Dragon. Oh god. Because of this, I want to read its effect. So it says here, must be special summon with Fang of Critias using Ring of Destruction. Once per turn, target one monster your opponent controls, destroy it. If it was a monster card, inflict damage to opponent equal to its original attack. I'm gonna let y'all look at it if my camera would freaking focus. Come on, you bitch. There. Oh, it's readable. Alright. Next is Dragon Revival Rhapsody. And finally, Loop of Destruction. Oh my god, look at this art. Look at this. So good. Konami, props to you, whoever does your art for these cards. Props to you. Alright, so those are the new foil cards and new foil prints. Next, first Mecha Pack. Alright, let's check it. Ooh. First one off the bat, ABC Dragon Buster. Yep. Freaking focus camera. God damn it. Alright. Next, ooh, personal good card. Maiden with Eyes of Blue. Here we go with Blue Eye support. Oh god. Yeah, here we go with Blue Eye support. Yep. The bane of almost every duelist's existence for people against Blue Eyes. Let me throw that over there. Ooh, here we go again. Doom Virus Dragon. This would look so intimidating if it wasn't so freaking weak. Doom Virus, what are you doing? Alright, let's see here. Next, Dragoon Ducks. Don't know all the Dragoonies in here, but I'm not gonna question it. There we go, back it with the pile. Oh, here's one I already have. Master with Eyes of Blue. Yep, already going with Blue Eye support, all of it. I like this print. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Next one, Different Dimension Crow. And, alright, here's an effect. Quick effect, you can discard this card to the GY. Then target one card in your opponent's GY. Banish that target. Ooh, and here we go. A cool Kaiba card. Thunder Dragon. Yep. Thunder Dragon. Alright, another Kaiba card. Here comes Judge Man. Wait, I forgot if when Kaiba used Judge Man. Yep. It's that. And, oh, another Blue Eye support. Sage with Eyes of Blue. Yep. Sage. It has blue eyes. Oh shit! I should not be bending these. Then they'd lose value. All right. Finally, from the first pack, terraforming. It's just add a field spell. All right, that's good. That's good and dandy. All right. Next pack, out of the new box. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Again with blue eye support. Azure Eyes Silver Dragon. Boss card. Next, Ancient Rules. Special Summon 1 normal type. Third, VW Tiger Jet. For those ABC users. Just, you know, honestly, the ABCs just remind me of Voltron now. Oh boy. And next, Vampire Lord. Another Kaiba card. I remember Kaiba using this multiple times. Yeah, there's Vampire Lord. Another Dragoonity Ducks for some reason. Why is this here? And then Ring of Defense. Definitely remember Kaiba using this with Ring of Destruction. Yep. So it says when a trap effect that inflicts damage is activated, make that effect damage 0. Oh boy. And here's DD Crow again. Final. Okay, actually, no, not finally. Ooh, I can use these. Alright, next, another Thunder Dragon. Then, a personal favorite of mine, a Return of the Dragon Lords. I'm definitely using this. Definitely using this for my deck. And finally, from second pack, a Polymerization. So just fusion summon a card. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Next one up is, here's C Crush Wyvern for ABC users. And a Defusion. So, Defusion is a fusion monster. And there's Dragoonity Duck. What? Dragoonity Phalanx? What? Why is this here? I don't understand why. But whatever. Oh, let me put these freaking wrappers over here with the other one. Ooh, here's a good one. The Monarch Stormforth. Definitely a good card for most decks with high-level monsters. Then here's, again, Kaiba signature, the Blue Eyes White Dragon. I like this little lighting effect that I have here. That's nice. And here's Rider of Storm. Oh my god. Yeah, here's Rider of Stormwinds. Good. Then, ooh, god, here's a doozy. Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon. Definitely good. Now I feel like I should just make a Blue Eyes deck just from this alone. I feel like I should. Alright. Oh, another Kaiba signature card. The Shrink Combination. Well, just with Shrink it, really. You just cut a monster's attack in half. It's like, well, now your monster is as turn as your mind, as said by Kaiba to Joey Wheeler. Oh my god, here's another one. Here's a Dragon Master Knight. So I need a blacklisted soldier. I gotta look into that from somebody else. And a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, which I do have. So, this card against 500 attack for each Dragon type monster I control. Well, except for that card, but whatever. Then finally, Enemy Controller. It's like up, down, B A, pwned. So now I can activate one of these effects, target one face-up monster my opponent controls, change that target's battle position, or tribute one monster that I have, then target one face-up monster that my opponent controls, take control of it, that target until the end of the turn. Basically like a temporary change of heart, but meh. Yep, here you go. Well, hold on, let me see if I can just... Let's separate He's all right. Well, that's been the new. Wait, hold on, because I also remember that told there's a new playmat. Get this out of here. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Yes, yes, my boy. Oh, first of all, look at this. Look at this sexiness. Then look at the other side. Yes, look at this. Legendary Kaiba collection. Look at it in all of its glory. And you can't even see my face. You can see part of my face. Oh well, whatever. Alright. Well, he's been opening the new Legendary Collection Kaiba edition. Well, that's all I have for today. This is Anthony the Yuga Man logging off. Don't forget to mind crush that like button and subscribe for more content. Duel you later, everybody.